Imagine a world where diseases get diagnosed even before symptoms appear. Cars drive themselves. And learning is personalized for every student. All of these are no longer science fiction, but a reality, thanks to artificial intelligence. Let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a complex and fascinating field of computer science. It's about designing machines that can think and learn like humans. It's about making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. From healthcare to transportation to education, AI is transforming every sector. Picture this: AI in healthcare can help predict diseases and develop new treatments. In transportation, it's powering self-driving cars, aiming to reduce accidents. Over in education, AI is personalizing learning, tailoring education to each student's unique needs and pace. We are living in an era where AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a key player in our daily lives. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's time to ask, how is AI changing our world? In the field of healthcare, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Imagine if we could predict diseases before symptoms even appear, or develop new drugs and treatments with a speed and precision that were once thought impossible. Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, these aren't just hypothetical scenarios, they're our reality. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is in drug discovery and development. By using AI algorithms and machine learning, scientists can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential new drugs. The process, which traditionally could take years if not decades, is now being expedited to a matter of months or even weeks. AI is also playing a pivotal role in predicting diseases before they manifest in patients. Machine learning algorithms can analyze an individual's genetic data and lifestyle factors, predicting their likelihood of developing certain conditions from heart disease to cancer. This means that we can take preventive measures and implement lifestyle changes to mitigate these risks well before any symptoms appear. It's not just us saying this. Renowned cardiologist and geneticist Eric Topol has stated, AI can process and analyze large amounts of data, which can help doctors make better decisions about patient care. In essence, AI is like a second pair of eyes, a super intelligent one that can pick up on patterns and anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. And let's not forget about AI's role in personalized patient care. From customizing treatment plans to predicting how a patient might respond to certain medications, AI is helping to tailor healthcare to the individual, not the masses. So, what does this mean for us? It means faster diagnoses, more effective treatments, and a healthcare system that's more efficient and proactive than ever before. The potential of AI in healthcare is immense, offering a promising future where diseases could be a thing of the past. The era of self-driving cars is here, and it's powered by AI. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we travel, and it's doing so in a way that promises to make our roads safer and our journeys more efficient. Let's take a closer look at how AI is being harnessed in the field of transportation. At the forefront of this revolution are self-driving cars, vehicles that use AI algorithms to navigate, accelerate, and brake without human intervention. This is possible thanks to a sophisticated network of sensors, cameras, and radars that feed real-time data to the car's AI system. This data can include everything from the position of other vehicles on the road to weather conditions and even the behavior of pedestrians. But what does this mean for road safety? Well, consider this. Human error is a contributing factor in over 90% of road accidents. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and make split-second decisions, has the potential to drastically reduce this figure. One of the pioneers in this field, Sebastian Thrun, who led the development of Google's self-driving car project, once said, "The impact on society of self-driving cars, if embraced, would be profoundly beneficial." Thrun's optimism stems from the belief that AI can outperform humans in tasks that require constant vigilance and quick response times, such as driving. Of course, the journey towards fully autonomous vehicles isn't without its challenges. There are still technical hurdles to overcome, ethical questions to answer, and regulatory frameworks to establish. But the progress made so far is undeniable. The future of transportation is looking increasingly autonomous. As AI continues to evolve and improve, we can look forward to a time when accidents caused by human error become a thing of the past. The roads of the future may be safer than ever, thanks to AI. In the classroom of the future, learning could be as unique as every student thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming the education sector in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. The power of AI lies in its ability to turn vast amounts of data into personalized learning experiences. Imagine a system where your strengths are celebrated, your weaknesses strengthened, and your learning style catered to. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Sir Anthony Seldon, an influential figure in education, once said, "AI will open up the possibility of an education system where everyone is given their own individualized curriculum." This isn't just about making learning easier, it's about making it more effective, more relevant, and more engaging. We're looking at a future where AI tutors could provide real-time feedback, adapt coursework to individual needs, and even predict future learning difficulties. A revolution in education is on the horizon, shaped by AI. As AI continues to evolve, so does its potential to reshape our world. Imagine a future where AI seamlessly integrates into every facet of our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. Picture an AI-driven world where diseases are diagnosed even before symptoms appear, where traffic jams are a thing of the past thanks to self-driving cars, and where personalized education is accessible to all. But it's not just about what AI can do for us, it's also about how we use it. The power of AI comes with a responsibility. We need to ensure that as we harness this technology, we do so with an eye towards ethical considerations. AI should be developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few. So, as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, let's not just marvel at the potential of AI. Let's also consider its implications and strive to use it wisely. AI holds the key to a future of possibilities, but as we embrace this technology, we must also consider its ethical implications, ensuring it benefits all of humanity.